2 medium tomatoes, 1 shallot, 2 dates, zest of medium lemon, 15 grams parings, 50 grams oil, salt, and black pepper. We make a crust cut at the base of each tomato, blanch them in boiling water of 30 minutes and cook them in ice water. We could then remove the scent and cut the meat into small cubes.
Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux. Pas longtemps chemin.
Meanwhile, chop the shallots and lettuce and place them in a bowl along with the lemon zest, the paring sauce, and the agave.
L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé. À sauter les repas, je suis habitué. Un voleur solitaire et triste à nourrir. Je suis amer, je ne veux
The first thing we have to do is peel the shrimp, saving the shell to later make a shrimp boil.
jamais on ne me dira que la course aux étoiles, ça n'est pas pour moi. Laissez-moi vous émerveiller et prendre mon envol. Nous allons enfin nous régaler.
Then we have to cut the shrimp and add lemon and lime juice. In there first. Then we have to put in the fridge for 13 minutes.
La fête va enfin commencer.
Then we have to pan fry a brioche bread with a little of butter. Then we have to boil an egg and mash it with the shrimp oil to make the mayonnaise.
Je suis heureux à l'idée de ce.
To make the plating, we have to spread the mayonnaise on the bread. Then put the shrimp and put the curried yolk on the top. Then cover it with another slice of bread and it will be done.
Une vie à me cacher, et puis libre enfin le festin est sur mon chemin.
Ingredients for the cake bass: yolk, sugar, flour, cornstarch, egg white, sugar, cream cheese, sugar, water, yolk, natural gelatin, cream cheese, milk cream, and ham. First assemble yolks and egg whites on the another bowl. Sift flour, mix everything with careful. Put on the tray on the directly intro over. For the cream, we start by whipping the yolks and preparing an Italian meringue. When have everything, put the meringue in the yolks, pulse the cream cheese and mix well. And add the gelatin and put in the mold. 1 hour refrigerator and to finish and ham.
we put the water to boil. Second step, we cook the onion. Then we put the onion in the pan with a little oil. Then we put a bacon inside. Then we put the spaghetti in the cooking pot. When this is done, we add the cream. We add salt and pepper. When this is done, we add the cream. When they are done, we strain the spaghetti. Then we put the spaghetti on the sauce. To finish, we put the spaghetti in the dish. And we add cheese. This is the result.